Okay, so let us now just start the turning operation. So before we run the turning operation, we should know what are the motion or the movement of this tool. You can see, so this is along the x-axis movement. Okay, this is regulated by this handle. So if you rotate, clockwise, you just rotate clockwise. What? Yes. So it is actually coming from this tool, so from this workpiece, outward from the workpiece, and if you rotate anti-clockwise, it will going towards the workpiece. Okay. Now look at this y-axis movement. If you rotate clockwise, it will go towards the workpiece. Counterclockwise, it will come out from that workpiece. Okay. So this is the movement of the tool. This is towards the workpiece and away from the workpiece. So these are the main movements. Okay, movements. Now we are actually on the lathe machine, and we can observe how the machining actually happening. So I am just concentrating on the main area, that means the interface of tool and workpiece. You can see when the tool is actually getting out the chip from the circumference of the workpiece. So this operation is known as the turning operation, because you are removing the excess material from the circumference of the workpiece. That means you are gradually reducing the diameter of the workpiece. Okay, so you can see how the diameter is been actually reduced. You can see the chip is been formed. Okay, now you can see we are doing step turning operation. That means we will be having different diameter over the workpiece. See, in the front portion is having smaller diameter, then the next portion is actually having larger than the the front portion. So you can see the three diameters over this workpiece. So this operation is popularly known as step turning operation. Okay, step by step you are reducing the diameter of the workpiece. So you can see now again. See, while doing this machining process, we should start from the end of the workpiece and then move the tool along the length of the workpiece. Then we again disengage the tool and again restart the operation. So that is the process. Okay. Now you can see. Yes, you can see the continuous chip formation while doing the machining, because it is a mild steel workpiece. Being a ductile material, it will produce continuous chip, unless like the cast iron is actually producing discontinuous chip because of its brittleness. So as it is a mild steel, so it will produce continuous chip.